Hey there, energy sector pros. Today, I'm diving into how AI is revolutionizing the energy industry. From design to cost benefits, AI is shaking things up in a big way. Let me start with the design of energy systems. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data to create optimized designs. Imagine a system where every component is perfectly aligned for maximum efficiency. AI does just that by simulating countless scenarios and finding the best possible configurations. Now, let's talk about energy generation and consumption prediction. Predicting energy needs used to be a game of guesswork, but with AI we can predict demand with unprecedented accuracy. Algorithms analyze historical data, weather patterns, and even social trends to forecast energy needs. This means less waste and more reliable energy supply. Sizing and capacity of renewable energy sources is another area where AI shines. Determining the optimal size for solar panels or wind turbines can be tricky, but AI takes into account local weather patterns, terrain, and even future climate predictions to size these systems perfectly. This ensures that renewable energy sources are not just installed, but optimized for maximum output. When it comes to cost-benefits analysis, AI is a game changer. By analyzing operational data, AI can pinpoint inefficiencies and suggest cost-saving measures. This means lower operational costs and higher profitability. Plus, AI can factor in future market trends to help you make informed investment decisions. Monitoring and fault detection are critical in maintaining a stable energy system. AI excels here too. It continuously monitors systems, detecting anomalies before they become serious issues. This predictive maintenance reduces downtime and prolongs the life of equipment. Lastly, let's touch on the edge and cloud interface. AI enables real-time data processing and decision-making at the edge. This means quicker responses to changes in energy demand and supply. Meanwhile, cloud computing allows for massive data storage and complex analytics, providing a comprehensive overview of the entire energy system. In summary, AI is transforming the energy sector from top to bottom. It's optimizing design, enhancing predictions, right-sizing renewables, cutting costs, improving monitoring, and integrating seamlessly with edge and cloud computing. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the future of energy. Catch you next time.